The long-awaited sequel to Lenovo's Tab M8 is finally here as the Lenovo Tab M9. It brings forth many QoL improvements over its predecessor, such as a larger screen and a faster society. However, it misses out on many nice-to-have features due to its affordable price tag. One can purchase it in February 2023 starting at €159, 169 United States dollars. The Lenovo Tab M9 packs a 9-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 800 by 1340 pixels, 176 ppi pixel density, 400 nits peak brightness and noticeable bezels around the edges. It weighs 344 grams, 0.76 pounds, and is available in two color variants, Arctic Grey and Frost Blue. Lastly, the tablet draws power from a 5100 mAh battery which Lenovo claims is good for up to 13 hours of video playback. A 10W USB-C charger is included in the retail packaging. Under the hood, the Lenovo Tab M9 uses an upgraded MediaTek Helio G80 Society. As mentioned earlier, it is an important upgrade over the MediaTek Helio P22 found on its predecessors. Memory and storage configurations include 3/4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32/64 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 memory. At the back, there's an 8 megapixels camera sensor with autofocus and a 2 megapixels sensor handles selfies and video calls. Wireless connectivity options on the Lenovo Tab M9 include 802.11b per gram and Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.1 and GPS. A 3.5mm audio jack is included, as is a microSD card slot for memory expansion. Biometric authentication is not possible due to the lack of a fingerprint sensor. Users can, however, rely on the slightly less secure face unlock option.